Whoa!
Everyone, look at this!
Welcome to Sea Catito's View.
It's coming! It's coming! It's coming!
Whoa! Look at that!
It's like the blue sky and rainbow sky. There's more! Oh, that's a lot.
Whoa!
My fingertips are green. Whoa! Did you see this? Everybody, I'm the green person. Hi, hi, hi. Hey, Barney. I touched the lava. I touched the lava. Wait, look, yours is
You
like
have a big one.
Whoa!
Wait,
it's coming to me. It's coming to volcanoes explosion. This is a super massive volcano. I've already felt Mix it up. It's big. Oh, this one is bigger.
Oh no!
Supermassive volcano. Man, a volcano is big. I didn't see it. It's still there. Look at this. Oh, yeah, I'm so hot. I'm so hot. Yours is dry. Today we are learning how to do elephant toothpaste. Yay! These are the items we're going to use.
We have the cups, active dry yeast, experimental glass, measuring cup, dish liquid, food coloring, salon care, funnels, spoons, safety eyewear, lab coats, and gloves.
Now let's get started. Yay!
Assist your kids with the salon care as you go into the measuring cup.
We're gonna add 1 more into the cups. Let's add 1 teaspoon of yeast. Now let's mix. Mix with 10 little spoons. Wow, look at that! Look at hanging. Oh, look inside. Now let's put the dish liquid into the experimental glass. Now it's time to add the food coloring. Now it's ready. It looks purple. And mine is green. Whoa. like a whoop, whoop. Good. Alrighty. This time we're gonna do elephant toothpaste without water. Yeah, kids, without no water. Now it's time to add the dish liquid. Now let's add the food coloring. Oh, look at that! It's turning green. Dark green. Turning oh, it's turning purple. Now let's choose yellow. Now let's choose blue. Whoa! Now choose whoa, it's black.
Yeah, that's the black. Let's see how this going to look. The elephant toothpaste. Wow, see it coming up? Give it a good shake.
It's coming up. Look at yours. It's green.
Wow.
And I see blue.
Yours a good shake. Wow.
Everyone, look at this.
That is so cool.
This is a chemical reaction. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at that, kids. It's green, right? And blue. It's nice as a toothpaste.
Wow.
Kids, yeast makes reaction. Yeah! See, it looks like cotton candy. Look. And mine says green cotton candy. It looks like rainbow cotton candy. Green cotton candy with blue. Oh, never mind. It just paused. Pause. Pause. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Please watch more.